Everybody. So this notes is a little bit different. It's more of a reading activity, actually, that you are reading this and you're going to use that information to fill this out. I am not going to give you these answers word for word. I am not going to do that. You need to do that as a reading exercise. However, this video is for people who need to hear me read the words out loud, need someone to help you read. So you can read along and have your paper, and me reading out loud can help you. But I am not going to just give you these answers, okay? So if you need to hear me read it, here goes nothing. You can listen now, okay? What is an estuary? Estuaries are bodies of water found where fresh water from rivers meet the salty ocean water. Bugs, lagoons, and harbors are examples of estuaries. Estuaries have unique plant and animal communities because their waters are brackish, a mixture of fresh water and salty ocean water. Estuaries perform many important functions, such as providing habitats for organisms and serving as nurseries for their young. A very large number of fish return from the ocean to spawn in the protective waters of estuaries. Oysters, clams, and crabs thrive in bays and inlets. Estuaries provide a habitat for endangered and threatened birds. People depend on estuaries for trade and food. They also protect our communities from flooding from storm surges and hurricanes. Estuaries also provide recreation in the form of swimming, boating, fishing, surfing, and bird watching. Like our rivers and streams, estuaries are in danger as a result of human activity. Trash and sediment from upriver are carried into the estuary. Chemical contamination in an estuary can linger for years and close down fishing in those areas. Silt and other sediment caused by erosion can suffocate bottom dwelling plants and animals. Wetlands act as a buffer zone to the estuary by filtering and breaking down nutrients. One of the 32 largest cities in the world, 22 are located on estuaries. Excuse me, of the 32 largest cities in the world, 22 are located on estuaries. The Chesapeake Bay is the largest estuary in the contiguous United States and one of the most productive. However, the population around the Chesapeake Bay has reached 15 million people, and the bay's natural resources are being threatened. So that's that reading. I want to point out something. If there are words that you don't know, if you didn't recognize the word contamination or contiguous, okay, I want you to get in the habit, or inlet, for example, I want you to get in the habit of stopping whatever you're reading and looking up the word you don't know. You should not let a word you don't know pass you by. If you run into a word you don't know, you have a Chromebook right in front of you, look it up. Every day we have so many opportunities to expand our vocabulary, and it will really, really help you in life overall. So if you didn't recognize a word, suffocate, any of these words, pause and look it up. Okay? Okay. All right. Best of luck, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.